Right, hello everyone, and welcome back to a daily update on my 1000 days challenge. This is day 160, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, you'll notice the balance has actually dropped, but that's actually not due to any trade that I've taken. In fact, actually done a quick review in terms of the actual profit being realized, and because of the reason, as you can understand, even though there was a very huge bull run, it also resulted in a very high in terms of the funding rate, especially when I'm trading using futures. So that there itself actually accounted for, you can see a significant drop. So you can see the significant cost in terms of trading futures, especially when they involve leverage. And when there's leverage, there's actually funding rates involved. So that is something that I'm trying to look into to see how I can minimize that kind of funding rate, because the funding rate has spiked significantly, like more than 10, 20 times of the usual funding rate itself. So that was something that was not accounted in terms of my Excel sheet itself. So yeah, so that's explain the difference. All right, otherwise, in terms of the market update, as you can see, so the S&P 500 remained neutral, similar as yesterday, while Nasdaq actually formed a bearish market structure. Let's go back to daily. So yeah, so basically you can see over here on the Nasdaq Y actually formed somewhat like a bearish structure, although now he has actually bounced back up in real time. But I'm looking at yesterday closing, we have a high, a lower high, a low, and a lower low. However, now it seems to be bouncing back up, right up again to form an even higher high on the daily chart itself, potentially closing with a higher high today as well. All right, otherwise, in terms of ASHI and KWEB, both remains bullish market structure. And I've also entered a small, added a little bit more position in KWEB, as what I mentioned yesterday. And where else for today, I'm not adding in terms of anyone. So accumulation over here is still fine. As long as it's above this daily horizontal resistance line, I'm fine with it. Of course, you could actually break slightly lower and then go back right back up as well and find support. That will be a great place to, alternative place to add as well. All right, and finally for Bitcoin wise, so interestingly, things are still breaking towards upside, like I mentioned over here. I've entered the trade based on the break above this 34.6K region. 34.8K region. So I've entered over here and trailing stop loss at 50 SMA. The first target that I'm looking at is at this 41.5K region. Potentially we could retrace further to retest the support before we go higher high. So right now I'm still holding on to this position. And yeah, trailing stop loss will be using this 50 simple moving average. If it does close below, I will manually close it up. Alternatively, if it does hit this hard stop loss, again, I will be closer automatically. So yep, that's basically more or less about it. In terms of any new position I've added, that's basically, yeah, in terms of my main trading setup. But otherwise, that's more or less about it. The quick update I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.